little nervousness.
Little nervousness. Okay, so are you nervous?
Little bit.
And the region? First interview or?
Yes, sir.
It's your first interview.
Yes, sir.
How do you consider yourself better than other professionals being in CMA?
So, better learning power. I think I have a better learning power than others. Also,
You have better what? Learning power. I heard running power. Okay.
Okay. And how satisfied are you with yourself?
sir, I'm not much satisfied with my performance in exam. If I tell you about my exams, CMA, as I have 3 attempts in CMA final.
Okay.
But if I talk about my life experience, I'm satisfied about that.
How? Why?
Ma'am, from background for rural area and to become CMA, I think it's achievement for me.
You're from rural area? What does your father do?
My father is a farmer.
Farmer.
Yes, ma'am.
So, any professional in your family?
No, ma'am. Okay. I'm first professional in my even in my whole village.
So, who motivated you to become, CMA?
My teacher.
In school?
Yes,
College?
School. Okay. And even he is supporting me in currently also.
Okay.
All the situation, whether it's failure or past, in all the situation, he supported me a lot.
So, we are a PSU and you must be having interview in a corporate also. So, which one is going to be your preference? A PSU or a corporate?
PSU.
Why?
Ma'am, is stability.
So, you're giving one word answer. Are we playing objective type? Okay. So, what do you mean by stability? Please give a proper answer.
Working as stable in the PSU, and second thing, working in.
Who said it's stable? Now with the new government, even the working hours are increased in PSU also. Not a
Financial stability is there,
Okay.
and we know what we have to do is like security has been provided there.
Okay.
प्रियंका प्रेजेंट टाइम में तो गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर में भी परफॉर्मेंस बेसिस पे कंटिन्यू किया जाता है, जिसकी परफॉर्मेंस नहीं है ऐसे आईएएस को भी कंपल्सरी रिटायरमेंट दे दिया जाता है. तो सिक्योरिटी क्या हुई गवर्नमेंट में?
सर, आई एग्री विद यू, बट यू नो व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ योर, कि आपको वहाँ पे करना क्या है पीएसयू में. बट इन कॉर्पोरेट में हर चीज़ में कंपटीशन वाली चीज़ आ जाती है, आपको पता नहीं होता कि आपको कैसे उस चीज़ को फेस करना है. वो वाली चीज़ मुझे लगता है.
तो आप कंपटीशन से डरते हो?
नोट मैम, बट आई बिलोंग टू आई टेल यू, तो वहाँ पे मुझे वो चीज़ इन्वायरमेंट मिला नहीं है कि मैं हर चीज़ में कंपटीशन फेस करूँ, वो वाली चीज़ है, इसलिए मैंने बोला.
You are very truthful. So do you think it's a quality or it will go against you?
Sometimes it's go against me.
Okay. What do you think right now?
It's a quality.
It's a quality? Okay. Okay. Tell us about your working experience.
Ma'am, I work in a CA firm, Jaiswal Khandelwal and Company. Also, I work Marigold Hotels. But in hotel, I doesn't work more due to exams. But I have given much in...
No, but you have to work for 15 months, no? Properly. Training. Did you do 15 months of proper training?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
But in CA firm, I have given much mind.
What did you work there?
Ma'am, I work regarding GST registration, GST returns. Also, I work regarding NGOs. Their registration, their taxation, their preparation of their financial statement regarding work.
Okay.
Who has to necessarily opt for GST registration?
Ma'am, it's a turnover limit. Also, it's like a person is NR. If I told about you turnover limits, a person who is selling goods, the turnover limit is 40 lakhs. And in case of services, it's 20 lakhs.
For example, if I am living in Mizoram, then what is the condition of
Ma'am, 20 lakhs in goods and 10 lakh in services.
Okay.
जीएसटी के टैक्स स्लैब्स क्या है? कितने टैक्स स्लैब है जीएसटी में?
So returns?
जीएसटी के टैक्स स्लैब.
Tax slabs, GST.
So 5%
Tax slabs.
Slab. कितने पे क्या क्या है? 5% किस पे है? 18% किस पे है? 28% किस पे है?
So normal जो goods like related the food and is like 5%, and if it is necessity then 0% है, and a little bit luxurious is 18%, and more luxurious zone is 28%.
What is the difference between lead and composite supply?
Ma'am, mix supply is like we mix the goods. I just give an example of Colgate and toothbrush. We can purchase it singly. But if the things are compositely combined, we cannot buy these things separately. That is composite supply. And in mixed supply, I will give you example of composite supply first. It's just like we are traveling in a plane. The food is provided there. So that is a mix. That is a composite supply. And if we are purchasing a good and that a free gift is provided, yeah, a necessary thing you have to buy both with that. That is mixed supply.
What if you are not selected?
I will try. On campus. And I will try to go in government sector.
Government sector. And you will drop the corporate sector.
Yes, sir. If I want to campus, as sir, I belong.
Very calculated decisions.
Sir, actually, as I belong to I tell you the area where government sector is, we must consider very good. If a girl is working in government sector, they think that is very good for especially for the girls.
Okay. Have you yet not decided what exactly you are meant to know? Like you got aspirations of the government sector also, applying in the corporate sector, and
Sir, I'm clear. If I'm not got selected in campus placement, then I will take a break and prepare for government sector.
alright. So this is the first and the last chance you will take for the corporate.
Yes.
After this, you will not. Okay.
Thank you, Priyanka. Have a nice day. We'll get back to you.